Hello traders, and welcome to this particular video, which is going to be about crude oil signal target $73. This signal was posted in our community tab as a signal few weeks ago, and I have made some updates after that also. And for those of you who follow that signal, so this is going to be a review to understand why this trade was taken and how it went to the target profit. And for the rest of you who didn't take this, make sure you will always check the new updates, new posts on the community tab, as we are posting some signals and market updates time to time. So do not miss that, and make sure to enable the notification bell to ensure uh, that you will receive all these updates. So let's jump to the chart. As you can see, the crude oil weekly chart on the right side and the daily chart on the left side. So to understand how we got this trade from $93 to $73, watch the video till the end. On the weekly chart, which is on the right side, you can see our institutional order flow is bearish, and once this buy side liquidity is taken, that is a signal to sell, and we can get the confirmation in the lower time frame, and I'm gonna show you that after a while. So after that, we push the downside on the weekly chart, and then we got another fair value gap, which is the distance between these two. Okay, so here on the right side you can see the market push up, and then again last week we got a big push to the downside to break the 73 low. Now I want you to pay attention to the left side, which is the daily chart. On this daily chart, you can see once the market took this upside liquidity, how the market pushed to the downside, and it created this blue line, which is another fair value gap, which is the opportunity for us to enter into the market in a daily chart. So then market is pushing to the downside, and 2 weeks ago this was the push to the upside as the manipulation in the daily. And for those of you who are always watching our videos, you should know that when the institutional order flow is bearish, any upside move is considered to be as manipulation, and is considered to be as an opportunity for us to find the sell setup. So let me just jump to the lower time frame and show you in the 4-hour chart how this trade was mapped. As you can see, this was exactly that weekly level, which was hit, actually, this buy side liquidity here, and then once it hit this buy side liquidity, which I'm gonna show you here. So this was the buy side liquidity, and once this buy side liquidity is taken, which is here, then you can see the market push to the downside, and it created another fair value gap in the 4-hour chart here. So this is the fair value gap which we are expecting to see once the market is preparing to go to the downside. So once this price action is coming to the upside, this is considered another manipulation in the 4-hour chart, and then here in the lower time frame we will see that is a good setup to sell, and then market is pushing to the downside like that. And the reason that we selected that $73 as a target profit, don't forget the reason was because that is a weekly level. And let me just show you quickly the main reason was that this is a weekly chart, and you can see where is the $73. $73 is exactly in this bullish order block, which is here. So that's why we got this bullish OB in the weekly. You can see this is bullish order block, and that's why after this bullish order block, which is here, market pushed to the upside. And now in the last 2 months, by this signal, I was looking for this bullish order block to be retested, and now this retest has been completed. And what is next? Okay, what is next? That is another session that we can discuss about it, but we can still see the market is bearish and there is no confirmation to buy, and even we can see even market can has the potential to break this low as a sell-side liquidity, which is the equal low, but we have to see the price action in the coming days. Right now let me jump to the 1-hour chart and show you how you could take this setup in 2 places basically. Actually, one was here, which was that weekly buy sell liquidity. You can see the immediate reaction in the 1-hour chart. So this is the power of knowledge and how you can get a trade based on the ICT methodology. And I'm of course following ICT, and I'm just trying to bring the setups here in this channel for you to understand it better by giving more examples. And definitely the concept that I'm going to teach you here, whatever I learn here, is definitely based on the experience and the ICT. So I really appreciate Michael again. So the thing is that here in the 1-hour chart you can see how the market is pushing to the downside and is creating this fair value gap. Okay, so once the fair value gap is created, then you can sell by pushing back to the upside. And another chance which you had, it was in this 2 weeks ago, actually beginning of last week, which you can see how market here, from here you can see, I'll just let me put this box. You can see how this manipulation is really nice, which happened last week. It took this upside as the buy side liquidity, and remember, each weekly and daily fair value gap are very important levels. As you can see how beautiful and how perfectly this weekly level is reacting to this price action, and then price is pushing to the downside very sharply. And the whole week last week we saw the oil market was selling to the downside, and finally it achieved our target at 73. Even it went below that, and it almost reached to $70. And here we can see today market is little bit reversing to the upside, and this one can be type of manipulation. We have to see tomorrow, and this can be considered as the weekly manipulation for further price action to the downside, or just temporary buy for the next move to the downside. So let's discuss these things later. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give us thumbs up, don't forget to leave the comment, and I'm gonna bring a lot of new stuff in new year 2023. And I know you're waiting for the live shows so we can watch the market together, and I can give you the trade ideas, and of course we can practice together by learning this strategy, which is based on the ICT methodology. And I suggest you go to the ICT channel and also watch all the videos by Michael and learn all of them, and then you can use my channel as well to follow the examples and day-to-day trade ideas based on those concepts, so you can practice and learn more and more. Okay, thank you very much and talk to you soon.